Focus groups and online focus groups. In this video we talk about it all. Before talking about focus groups and online focus groups, you need to know that this is only one method for collecting primary data. If you want to learn more about primary data, secondary data, why do researchers and marketeers need all this information and how do they collect it, you can watch the videos right here or find them in the description. I've explained them all in separated videos about the marketing research process, about the life cycle of big data, marketing intelligence, and internal databases. Focus groups are a form of group interviewing. Personal interviewing takes two forms: individual interviewing and group interviewing. Individual interviewing involves talking with people in their homes or offices, or on the street or in shopping malls. Such interviewing is flexible. Trained interviewers can guide interviews, explain difficult questions, and explore issues as the situation requires. Group interviewing consists of inviting 6 to 10 people to meet with a trained moderator to talk about a product, a service, or an organization. Participants are normally paid a small sum of money for attending. Talking about group interviews, usually the moderator of such an interview usually focuses on the discussion, therefore the name of another method that is called focus groups. This is personal interviewing that involves inviting 6 to 10 people together for a few hours with a trained interviewer to talk about a product, a service, or an organization. The interviewer focuses the group discussion on important issues. In traditional focus groups, the researchers and the marketeers watch the discussions from behind, so it is like a one-way mirror for the record comments in writing, and they also do video studies later. They film the entire interview to do the study and the analysis of the data they gather from it. Along with observational research, focus group interviewing has become one of the major qualitative marketing research tools for gaining fresh insights into consumer thoughts and feelings. In focus group settings, researchers not only hear consumer ideas and conversational flows. Focus group studies present some challenges. They usually employ small samples to keep time and costs down, and it may be hard to generalize from the results. Moreover, consumers in focus groups are not always open and honest about their real feelings, behavior, and intentions in front of other people. As mentioned, there are several problems that can appear when using focus groups, and therefore companies, researchers, and marketeers developed several ways and workarounds for solving these problems. Some companies use immersion groups, small groups of consumers who interact directly and informally with product designers without a focus group moderator being present. Other researchers are changing the environments in which they conduct focus groups to help the consumer relax and elicit more authentic responses. Let's go now to analyze and discover more about the online focus group. When it comes to online research, there are two main methods that we should know about. Online marketing research is collecting primary data online through internet surveys, online focus groups, web-based experiments, or tracking of consumers' online behavior. And finally, online focus groups is gathering a small group of people online with a trained moderator to chat about a product, a service, or an organization and gain qualitative insights about consumer attitudes and behavior. As you can imagine, there are several advantages of using online focus groups. For example, it is easier to gather people from all around the country and from all around the world. It is very cost efficient. You don't have to wait for the participants to show up at the focus groups, and also the researchers can view the sessions in real time. Usually the researchers would have to come up and show up at the focus group. They would have to transcript all the information that was said, all the discussions that took places, and now they can only record it online and analyze the video after the survey has ended. And finally, one other advantage of using online focus groups is that you don't need in advance scheduling. Nowadays, online focus groups can happen almost immediately. This was everything for this video. I hope this helped you understand what the focus groups are, what the differences between the focus groups and online focus groups are, what are the advantages of each one of them, and if you'd like to learn more about other primary data gathering methods, there is a video right here. You can also find it in the description, and you have an entire chapter about the marketing research process, internal big data gathering information in the videos down below that I really recommend you check it. If this video helped you, in the description down below there are many links with other marketing and corporate communication videos that you could watch for free to learn and enhance your knowledge about business? Well, if you'd also like to thank me, you could buy me a coffee. There is a link down in the description for that. I run on a lot of coffee to do the research, to find the right information for you to film, to edit, and to post these videos so you can watch for free on YouTube, and I kinda like coffee. Also, you could thank me by subscribing to the channel, by liking this video, and by leaving a comment in the comment section down below, because you know how YouTube algorithm is nowadays. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye.